Good evening, everyone. So hoping who all joined yesterday received first demo document and video, and we shared through Google Drive, and also we shared the YouTube link so that you can watch in case Google Drive level you are not able to watch. I have sent yesterday the demo video, demo document, demo video, and demo document. And let me open yesterday discussion. So my name is Vinay, and this is the contact number of mine. And 5 to 6 people call me last night, and today morning 5 to 10 people call me to discuss different things. I most welcome for your questions, suggestions, or any other. And this is the call timing for me, except Sunday. And the people who joined today and not attended yesterday will receive demo video, demo document. Kindly walk through. So for everyone, we will share yesterday and today demo video and demo document. Kindly walk through. If possible, practice it. Right. Training objective, interview purpose, and working purpose. So what all the concepts required for interview to work happily in the organization, all the topics I'm going to cover. Complete subject-oriented detailed training. The duration for the class is 60 hours. And I'm having these many batches now, but the current batch I'm starting from tomorrow at 5 p.m. This is a current batch. What we provide? We provide daily live class videos, materials, and we'll be having WhatsApp group for intimations and other. So this is the content, and these are the components I'm going to cover. Power Platform, Power BI Desktop and DAX, Power BI Service, Power BI Server, paginated report builder, and 3 to 4 SQL sessions. And MSBA cubes, GitHub, report testing, 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies. So this is what I'm going to give you, but those all I'm going to give you with a good theory and practical material, daily live class videos. And the training is full practical oriented training. And you will be having good interaction with the trainers. Resume preparation sessions will be conducted. And we are all going to discuss in the WhatsApp. FAQs also discussed. This is what we are going to provide from the institution. And you are eligible for all these opportunities. If you want to try, and you can try all these positions, majorly these 3. As a developer, 100% you are suitable. As a support resource, you are suitable. Administrator suitable. But with combination, you want to go MSBA combination, Tableau ClickView combination, Azure combination, Synapse and Databricks combination. This is also possible. This course is more than enough. But if you want to keep more than 5 years of experience in IT, what I'm saying is below 5 years, you want to keep in Power BI and try only Power BI. These are the opportunities available. More than 5 years, you want to keep and try. These are the opportunities available. And this is a normal track batch, 50 to 60 days duration. You want fast track or one-on-one or customized training, this is a contact number you need to reach out. But I'm not the trainer for the fast track. Okay. Right. Next one. Let me show you. And the prerequisite, any graduation and who is passionate about IT, they can try for it. And knowledge on Excel, SQL, and any IT component is added advantage, not compulsory, added advantage. And you want to try in IT, these are all required. I mean, if you want to try as a Power BI developer or BA developer, these are all compulsory required and we'll provide you all knowledge. All these components knowledge will provide you. First one, warehousing and BA environment you need to understand. This is what yesterday I explained. The same thing I'm revisiting. So now 10 minutes yesterday recap, rest, fresh part. Kindly stay tuned. As I told you, first demo, theoretical demo, which will give you the evolution from data to Power Platform. And today's second demo, a practical demo. Two demos. Now let me go. So as you're entering into this environment, warehousing and BA environment, you need to have knowledge on this. And little bit knowledge on ETL process is required. Either learn the process or learn a tool. I will explain you the process, so no need to learn any tool. But still you're interested to learn? Yes, advantage, not compulsory. SQL knowledge is mandatory, basic knowledge. It is a database communication language. Database communication language. But I recommend you learn separately from an institution for 30 to 40 hours. In SQL level, 78 topics are very, very important. I will highlight all the topics and let you know. So practice those strongly. Interview purpose, working purpose, 78 topics sufficient. But get understanding about SQL completely for 30 to 40 hours. This is for overview. This is for interview and working perspective. Learn Power BI components, cloud and on-premises properly. and know about Power BI projects environment. This is compulsory, and testing knowledge, little bit advantage. And I will cover this. So in this, all I'm going to give you except SQL 3 to 4 hours. This I will give you. But detailed training of SQL not possible because for Power BI itself, I'm taking 2 months duration. So if I take SQL also 1 month, then it will be 3 months to 4 months. That's the reason I'm not including. It does not mean we are not providing. So I'm good at Power BI and BI. I will give you definitely wonderful knowledge and sound knowledge in the BI. Not only Power BI, you can confidently try as BI developer with any tool in the market after learning the tool. Such kind of basics to advanced complete BA awareness I will give you. And coming to first day demo agenda, it's a theoretical demo, evolution from data to platform. I will continue with this for next 5-10 minutes. Before that, I'm unmuting everyone. Kindly ask your generic questions related to Power BI, not your personal details. In case you want to talk to me, your personal details, call me in these timings on the number. I can spend time for you. Many people call me, so I can spend time for you. I can give you proper sessions. Right, now come to evolution. This is the evolution first you need to know. You can ask your questions after this recap. Data to Power Platform, complete awareness you need to have. What is data? As I told you yesterday, we have three types of, anything you are able to store is called data. And we have three types of data. I will go to this picture. This is just recap. You can watch yesterday video for 1 hour discussion on this. Complete 1 hour I explained this part. Now I'm spending only 10 minutes of time. We'll start with this material, which I typed yesterday. Anything you are able to store is called data. And we have three types of data. First one, structured data. Second one, semi-structured data. Third one, unstructured data. Structured data, your business processing data is structured. Book My Show, IRCTC, or any. Because data stored column by column like this. Student ID, student name, etc. So those are structured applications. In case you want to see how many people connected to Windows operating system and how the database is performing, how a query is running, how a statement is processing, then we require log information, journal information, simply audit information. That comes under semi-structured. Unstructured, social media data, Facebook, Twitter, etc. And email like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, documents data, PDF, Word data, these are unstructured. So we have three types of data: structured, semi-structured, unstructured. And knowingly or unknowingly, we are working with all these types of data. And we are placing this data in two places. One is on premises, within the organization. Coming to mobile, within our mobile device or tab device. The photos, images, videos will place initially in our device. Later we move to cloud. Somebody else storage area, we connect using an account. So this also, knowingly or unknowingly, whether you're an IT or non-IT guy, we are using this. My father keeping his backup in the cloud only. Samsung cloud, his phone is Samsung Galaxy Note, he is placing in the cloud only. The contacts, the images, the videos. And you received yesterday the demo video. That is also in the cloud, Google Drive. This is a cloud. Hoping you understood the difference between on-premises and cloud. Now coming to IT applications. Majorly two types. You are able to see many applications: Java, .NET, mainframes, Python, data analytics, data science. many applications, but they are categorized into two purposes. One, to run the business. Technically, we call it as OLTP, online transaction processing. Here, audience are general public. So the IRCTC ticket booking, Book My Show ticket booking will be done by general public only. And they do it using interfaces like a web interface or app interface or desktop interface. And data stored always from these areas in structured format like PNR number, train number, name, passenger, starting station, ending station, date, amount, etc. This is the format data stored. And second side applications, business analysis applications. So we take this data, we convert into analytical fashion. Here, audience difference, management team, vice president, subject matter expert, data steward, data scientist, executive, many people participate. They also use the same interfaces via web or mobile or tab app or desktop. They're analyzing the data. But how? So when you go for this, I forgot yesterday the point. Interface is okay, but the data in the forms. You will get a form, you will fill the form, and the ticket will be booked. But coming to analysis level, your management team observes report and dashboard for decision making. So analytical applications, output is report or dashboard, where they contain visuals and insights. So what is visual? Graphically display component is called visual, but detailed understanding providing component or concept is called insight. So one talks about data display, one talks about detailed data presentation. So this is a component. This is not a component. This will describe the data. It will provide you better understanding. That is insight. So from the reports and dashboards, we get better insights, better decision making, deep study, deep understanding. And what is report? A report, very frequently we use this word. It is for individual operation. Many visuals we use and detailed data we store. And usually company level, more and more reports you find. Cash withdraw from savings account, one report. Cash deposit from savings account, one report. Loan processing from the savings account, one report. Like this, multiple reports we create. Coming to dashboard, not like that. A specific subject area data, the deposit, the withdraw, the transfer. Regarding savings account, if you place in a single area, then it's called dashboard. Companies always maintain limited dashboards. Always limited. So analytical applications provide reports and dashboards. They display visuals and insights. And report is for individual operation, and a collective operation is dashboard. High-level business data is dashboard. Low-level business data is report. Report is low level. Dashboard is high level. Now, after this, I explained this. Your book training information like this: PNR number, train number, name, passenger, starting station, ending station, amount, etc. Once you book a train ticket, the details will be stored like this. We call it as a transactional data. This will be the input for business intelligence people. So this information, whoever analyze, those people are called decision-making people, analytical people, or business intelligence people, because intelligent data of the business they observe. Sir, what do you mean by intelligent data? From this, if you're able to derive like this, like how many trains having full booking, trains not having any booking, which region having highest sale of tickets, top the trains in today's booking. This is called decision-making data, analytical data, business intelligent data. And you guys selected a path where you generate this kind of information. So you will take this kind of data and you will present this kind of information. But how come, sir? We have a process. This is business intelligent data. So we have a process called BA process. To implement the process, we need a technical application, BA application. Now, here is a place companies differ. How they differ? Now I'm going to explain, focus on this. What is BA? Business intelligence. Intelligence to the business. Decision making or analysis of the business. It is a process of converting data into decision making data and presenting through visuals and insights. What is insight? What is visual? I told you. Simply, BA input is any data, anywhere data, any type data. Output is report or dashboard. Take any BA tool, any BA process, input is data, any type, any format, any storage. Output is report or dashboard. So report looks like this. Very detailed data, more visuals. Dashboard looks like this, high level data only, not detailed data, just high level data. So your objective after learning Power BI, because you are also having the word BA. So your objective working on data, providing report or dashboard. Got clarity? Excellent. Now, BA process. How do you generate business intelligence data? General public, they are using these applications to perform business process. Only data stored here. Assume IRCTC data. These are IRCTC applications. And this is the IRCTC management team. They want to analyze. Again, they also analyze nowadays using a mobile, tab, desktop. But how do we convert this data into analytical data and present here? There is a process called BA process, which was given early 90s. And our business applications available since 40. Remember, business driven applications available since 40. But business intelligent applications available 90. Analytical applications available since 90, because people identified an analysis of data decision making in 85, 86 around. It was difficult task for top organizations to analyze the data. As the data volume increasing, their business increasing. That time they requested many scientists, why don't you people prepare analytical applications? That release is BA process early 90s. According to scientists, you need to maintain one process area called extract transformation process area. So your daily data, this process will take, that is extraction. If data is not correct, transform. Finally, you load to huge storage. According to them, bring the data, transform, change the data, load to warehouse. Warehouse is huge storage. Next, from here, create small cubes are similar kind of components. Why? Because more data available, we never go for analysis directly. Divide into small. So specific data you keep, go for aggregate analytical operations. Finally, so here is the place, the sum, the average. Analytics means top, bottom, rank. All you prepare here with limited data and go for presentation. It will present very quickly in the form of reports and dashboard so that management people can access. So this is end-to-end flow with multiple layers. First layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer. Total 4 layers to perform end-to-end BA process. And many companies given tools, but the unlucky part, one company, one area, one tool. Take Informatica Corporation. They given tool here only. Listen to it. Very important part. Data stage. This is from IBM actually. IBM company given data stage for ETL only. Similarly, these databases for warehouse. These components for cubes. These components for presentation. But no company has given end-to-end solution. So if you talk about old BA, early business intelligence process, 4 layers required: data transformation, data storage, data modeling, data presentation. But the difficult part is any company has to purchase multiple tools, multiple components, multiple setups they need to maintain, multiple resources they have to recruit. So more cost involved, more storage involved, more process overhead involved. And this is from different organizations, no code sync also. Code sync also not available. This was the first drawback, but still MNC is following it. Early BA. But one company given small relaxation and relief to the people, that is middle-aged BA and Microsoft with a product called MSBA suite. You can see in this picture. MSBA 2005 on premises. So the components installed in your computer, the data stored in your computer, management in your computer. Okay. And SSIS is the first tool for this operation. SSAS is the second tool for this operation. SSRS is the third tool for this operation. So 2005, MSBA released as a suite for 3-layer purpose. SSIS full form, SQL Server Integration Services. SSAS full form, SQL Server Analysis Services. SSRS full form, Reporting Services. So this tool, Integration Services, placed for ETL process. Analysis Services, placed for Q process. Reporting Services, placed for semantic process. So end-to-end support we got here. So this is called self-service BA suite. End-to-end. Now come to this. Middle-aged BA, MS BA, self-service BA to perform end-to-end operations and generate reports and dashboards quickly. Now you got it. And year of release, 2005. Every 2 years, every 3 years, there are versions. So this was the first version, second version, third version, like this, multiple versions. And from here, though Microsoft released in 2005 MSBA, but it got fame and leadership from 2008. MSBA brought leadership to Microsoft in the analytics and BA. I opened this link yesterday. And showed the rating of Power BI. So the rating of Microsoft in analytics and BA. We don't worry the future of Microsoft. maybe MSBI, Power BI. It is evergreen, very strong, and leader in the market. No competitor in analytics and BI. If someone says MSBI not having calls, Power BI not having calls, that is due to lack of knowledge. Just open these links and look at that. Statistics are always important. Okay, if a component is leader means many companies are using it. In your village, Apple phone may not use. That does not mean Apple does not have market. Wherever it is supposed to be, it is available. So MSBA this. Sir, you said MSBA brought leadership, then why Power BI? This point you need to understand. MSBA having architecture, component architecture, tool architecture before the market of 2005. Before the market of 2005 in IT. So based on IT market, it was designed before 2005. But after 2005, many changes in IT. First one, these kind of applications more and more, social media applications, cloud applications more and more, mobile. Nowadays, for each and every operation, we're using mobiles only, mobile apps more and more. This support, compatibility not available in MSBA. And Microsoft still, they thought, why don't we continue our leadership by giving a new component? Yes, that made them to announce a powering component called Power BI. It is a powering component, which is nothing but power adding to the existing BA component. For the existing MSBA only, more power added. That more power is same features. MSBA suite level, whatever you are able to do, more or less the same you do in the Power BI. In addition to that, on-premises and cloud support given, mobile and tab-friendly operations provided, and any type of data processing possible. You can place easily Power BI reports in other areas. And one more important one, MSBA requires 3 tools, Power BI level, 1 application sufficient. End-to-end process you want to do, 1 application sufficient. But how come, sir? With multiple concepts. Look at this picture. Power BI, 1 application with multiple concepts. So this process you want to do, go to this. This process you want to do, go to this. This process you want to do, go to this. These are the concepts available in the Power BI to perform end-to-end BA process. Got clarity? So Microsoft reduced IT burden with a suite. Now that is much more reduced with a single application. So that's the reason Power BI is called self-service BI. So these are all the features which we don't find in the MSBI and find in the Power BI. And Power BI announced 2013. No versions in the Power BI. We have monthly update. The reason Microsoft want to monitor the market and add the market changes immediately into respective area. That's a major reason why we don't have versions in Power BI. We have only monthly updates. So if you want to conclude Power BI, this is a single line technical definition. It is a self-service BI component, perform end-to-end operation, generate report and dashboard for better decision making. So Power BI input is data, output is report or dashboard. This is single simple definition, but there are some more scientists given wonderful definitions. This we'll discuss tomorrow because we don't have time. We'll discuss tomorrow. This is clear. What is your input and output? And now Power BI not standalone. Till 2019 it was standalone, but it is now under Power Platform. So Microsoft got more energy because of Power BI. And Power BI level, we have low code process. No need to write much code. No need to write much code. Microsoft got great applause, feedback, support, and market because of Power BI. So they thought of releasing some more low code components. That combination is Power Platform. So these are the components available that I will explain you tomorrow. So single line, Power BI. Now Power BI is not standalone. It is under Power Platform since 2019. So this was the evolution I given last class from data to Power Platform. 3 types of data, 2 types of IT applications, and BI is second type of IT application. Power BI comes under modern BI, and Power BI under Power Platform now. Next. Now, first demo recap completed. Now I want to show second demo. Here I want to show the ease of Power BI, the Power BI practical. Easy installation, easy practical, low code process I want to show, which in turn self-service process I want to show. In this situation, I want to take day-to-day business data and using Power BI, I want to convert easily decision-making data. You can say BA data. This part I will show you now. But how come, sir? We have an application called Power BI Desktop. This is application helps us to do the operation. Your normal data, this application converts into decision-making data. No layers required. Remember, no layers required here. Usually, multiple layers required, multiple tools required, but because of Power BI, not required. But this is a brief process actually. Everyone look at this. Power BI available on premises, Power BI available cloud. Your interest. In case you want to go for cloud operations, yes, cloud. That means your storage, management, everything from the cloud. Report storage, report sharing, everything from the cloud. Or you don't want cloud and you want to keep in your company server. You want to share from your company server. That is on premises. So this is the cloud area. This is on-premises area. But users and users, according to your interest only, they will connect. If you keep in the cloud, they will come to cloud. If you keep in the on-premises in your company, they will come to on-premises. And Microsoft given a component for the report creation. This is the one. So this will convert your normal data to decision-making data. Report created here, that a report moved here for management. This is for cloud, even on-premises level. Report created, report managed here, on-premises. And if you closely observe, we have 4 important components here. Power BI Desktop, cloud, cloud storage and managing. For the cloud organization people, Power BI Desktop for report, on-premises and on-premises server. 4 components, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are some more components available. These are all. I will describe about this very clearly tomorrow. You don't worry. But 90% we use this in the real time. So this component I am going to show you. Classroom and real time, no difference in the tool and process. Shall we see that? Right. So what exactly it does? Power BI desktop gets data, implement BA process, generates report or dashboard. What is desktop? Windows desktop. Set up graphical operations component. Power BI desktop. Set up Power BI graphical operations component. Convinced? Then how do you download? Google it. Google it. Click advanced download. Download. Size near about 390 MB. Installation. Click setup.exe. Next, next, finish. You all guys can practice today. No complex configuration. No account required unless you move to cloud. So let me go to this. Google it. Power BI desktop download. This is the download. Come down. I told you Power BI desktop advanced option. Click on it. You want to see system requirements and all. See the definition. Power BI transform data into actionable insights with dashboards and reports. This is what I told you. Power BI desktop requirements. You want to see system requirements clearly available here. Download. Choose the download you want. I want this download. Tick mark close to 390 MB. Click next. This is very basic downloading way. There are two more ways available that I will tell you tomorrow. That is recommended, not this one. But today, as part of demo, you need to practice. So I'm explaining the basic way of downloading. But this is not the actual way. We will download in the real time. Okay, once you download, you will find in the download area the software like this. Go to this, next, next, finish. Install it. So that you will find a graphical icon like this on your desktop. So your application is successfully installed. Now you need to convert the data. Then where is the data? Application ready. Then where is the data? Guys, this is a demo session. I may go a little faster, but the video available, kindly walk through it and practice it. You can understand slowly if you're new to IT. If you're already into IT, you may feel a little bored also. Now go to this. This is my data. Power BI. Let me open my data. my family expenses data in Excel. I mentioned to understand easily what type of data it is, first one. Now second row onwards, we have data. This is my input. This is my input. Normal data, transactional data, or you can say business data. Date, amount, reason, area, location. On which date, how much money I spent, for which reason I spent, in which area I spent, which location I spent. From this, I want to analyze like this. My top spendings in a month I want to see. August month top spendings, books, food, petrol. My total spending, or my highest spending I want to see. My lowest spending I want to see. The location which I visited frequently I want to see. The location which I rarely visited I want to see. So such kind of decision making information you want, then pass this data to Power BI desktop. It will do the process and then give you BA data, business intelligence data. No coding, nothing, but easily you can do. Let me go for it. So you know the data, you have the application, no process. So click on it. This is the first screen. You don't worry about that. Close it. This is the main interface. This is the main interface. And some people say self-service BI interface. Because if you pass data, it can extract the data. If the data is not correct, you want to do some changes, it will allow you to do the changes. Transformation. If multiple tables available, you can establish relationship, modeling. And you want to apply security, possible. And you want to visualize. Visuals you want to create to show the data, possible. Finally, you will get BA data. End-to-end process, we will do it here. So it is called self-service BA interface. And of course, it's a color-blind friendly interface. Even color-blind people can work. Color-blind people can work. The colors and all like that. So this is taking data. First step, transformation. Second step, modeling. Third step, security. Fourth step, visual. Fifth step. This complete process is called BA process. So this application will do end-to-end process. But where, sir? This is the first area where we do extraction. This is the second area where we do transformation. This is the third area where we do modeling. This is the fourth area where we do security. Fifth area where we do reporting. 5 areas. All are nearby. If you take old BA tools, compulsory we need to take multiple tools for this. Early BA, if you take multiple tools, even MSBA, if you take multiple tools compulsory, but Power BI level not required. You can easily bring, easily transform, you can easily model, security apply, reporting apply. Daily we are going to discuss the same part, even you feel bored after 2 or 3 days. This is our regular activity. First day you might see what sir is explaining, but tomorrow onwards the same part I'm going to discuss. Now, so what we are going to do now? First, we need to bring the data into this because we need to convert into decision-making data. First, you bring it. Later, transform it if it is not good. So I will show you this, I will show you this, but this is not possible because multiple tables we are not working now. We are not working on multiple tables. So this I'm not going to show you. I'll show you data extraction, data transformation. Relationships, I will not show you. Security, I will not show you. Visualization, I will show you. These three I will show you today. And the business intelligence level, 3 operations I will show you. Okay, ready? First, how to bring the data? Get data. Where it is? Excel. Where is the Excel? In my system. This is my Excel file, family expenses. This is a first sheet, which is having data. Click load. Get data, select Excel, load. You can ask me, sir, can you describe this desktop more and more? Yes, possible. Tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will give you a good explanation about this. Around half an hour to 40 minutes, I'll explain each and every option tomorrow. Okay, you got the data. It got data into this. And you want to see that, click this area. You can see the data. You're able to see. And these are column headings. What do you call it? Column headings. And this is called as normal description. But something is not right here. What is that? Day to, amount to, reason, area, location to be the headings. But accidentally, this was the heading. So we should remove this. We should, right? How? So you got the data from here. I'll go to report view. Data not looking good, need changes. Then go to transformation area. Click transform, transform data. This is the area. It will open a separate window. What is the window? Power Query. But I will explain about it later. It is opening. Explore bigger. This one you need to remove, and first row you want to take as header. First row you want to take as header. Then click on this corner. This corner. Use first row as header. These are all transformation options. No need to write any code. You can use these options. Graphical options. I did that. Is it appearing properly? And my second concept is month-wise analysis required. But month I don't have here. But I'm having month here. How do you get that? In that situation, click on it. Add a column from examples. No need to write any code. Just click on this. It is opening. Now click on this. Click on this cell. Month. Where is the month? August. Click close. Got it? Select one month and click close. Okay. If you practice, you'll understand. You don't worry. So this is August month. This is July month. The same it is showing. So 2 operations I performed. First one, I clicked on it. Use first row as header. Second one, I performed this. Now I want to save and close. If that is the case, you need to close this window by saving the changes. Just go to this, save the changes and close. Ready, sir? That window closed. Go to data view. This is the data view. Data looking good. Month also added. From this, we got the month. So from date, we got the month only. Now, modeling we can't do because only one available, no model. Go to visualization. This is visualization reporting. So here we use this and this combination. I will go. First, I will take a table. Not table. I want to see for a particular reason how much percentage of money I spent for a particular reason. Then click on this pie chart. This is pie chart. Legend. Legend is reason. Sir, on what basis you are taking? I will tell you later, don't worry. Value. Value is always amount. Reason wise amount. So this is the picture. In case you feel small, you can click focus mode. It will show you. Food I spent around 50% money. Travel I spent 20%, 27% money, and 5% money for books. You haven't written any code, but you got the data. You're taking visual. You're placing the fields. Automatically it is showing. So it's clearly indicating food more money and books just 5% money. Okay, but I don't want percentage. I want top to bottom to etc. Then take chart. Click on chart. This is a chart. Y axis. This is Y axis. I want to take reason. X axis. I want to take amount. Y axis, X axis. Explore bigger. Focus mode. Food and travel more spending. Books and internet less spending. This is business intelligence data, decision making data, analytical data. No code, nothing, but visually it is showing superb. But I want to see the values, not like this. Go to table. Table. Take reason. Take amount. Take month. Take month. You want to see bigger? Click focus mode. Month wise, reason, amount. 1,07,900 total. But I want to see the locations, geographical locations. Then take a map. Map. Mention here. Location. Not working. Area. Maybe the values are something wrong here. You ignore, no problem. But I want to filter it. How can I filter? Very simple. Go to slicer. This is slicer. You take month. Slicer, take month. 2 months I'm having, the 2 months it is showing. Sir, what is the advantage? You can click July. July spending. July top 2, travel, food. And July level, travel only, most spending. August month, food to travel. August month, food more. And the value different. So August month top, August month contribution, August month values. And you want to see total value. So take a card. Just card. For example, total value you want to show. take money amount, show the total value, 75K. You can see in normal value, click on the formatting, value, auto, no, none. This is the total spending value. August month value, 74,800. July value, 33,100. So like this, you can easily build visuals and you can easily take the fields. This is the reporting area. Which area? Reporting. Anything complex you're able to see? You got the data, you transformed it, you came to reporting area, you took multiple visuals and placed. But which visual for which purpose later? And your business intelligence data is ready. Now you can save it. File menu, save. But this will save like a document. See this, PBIX. Word document saved with DOCX. Excel document saved with XLSX. Power BI document saved with PBIX. It's not a report, it's a document. I'm saving under the documents folder, demo information, Vinaytech, Power BI, demo, practice, document. Shall I click save? But from this, only this area we need to share to customers. Customers don't require get data, transform data, model data and all. Only this we need to share. How is it possible? In that situation, you need to move this to cloud. That is publishing. So when you move to cloud or when you move even on premises, when you move to on premises, then only we can share only this part that you will learn in the regular class. But from here, you know, to understand Power BI software easy to download, easy to install, and end-to-end operations also easy. But only one complexity area in the Power BI. Small complexity area. If more business logics to be implemented, then if more business logics implemented, then we need to write or we need to use DAX functions. Because Microsoft cannot give you all the business logics for your organization. Microsoft cannot give you all business logics for your organization. That's the reason we need to use our functions. System defined functions. Microsoft system defined functions, DAX functions. Okay, this is the one. Except this, there are no complexity areas in the Power BI. You can enjoy it and even you love this because of its features and ease of operations. A systematical, if you follow, definitely you love Power BI by seeing its beautiful features. I'm done, guys. So our objective for today, installation practical low code approach of Power BI to convert your normal data to decision-making data. Successfully completed. Even you have personal business, you want to convert your personal business data into decision-making data, easily you can do. Fine? Right, sir. So whatever I planned for 2 days, first day, second day, successfully completed. And I'm going to cover Power Platform for 4 hours, Power BI Desktop and DAX for around 1 month, service for 10 days. This is 20 days, 20 days to 25 days. Server for 4 days and remaining all for 10 to 15 days. Altogether 60 hours we are going to spend. SQL 3 to 4 hours, page needed report building for 2 hours, and report testing for 1 hour, real-time projects around 5 to 6 hours, multiple case studies 3 to 4 hours, or 2 to 3 hours, like this. Depends. But we are going to spend in detail subject covering 60 hours. Monday to Friday classes based on your interest. Saturday we will take. And if you want to finish quick way, you can attend parallel batches, 2 batches, or you can purchase my videos. But I recommend you attend the class so that you will enjoy it and get more new things.
Okay.
I'm
Hi,
done, guys,
Vinay.
from my